Uh-huh.
Okay. So customer complaint
That's real lovely of the family, ain't it?
right.
It does not turn on at all.
Has no power, so we're gonna
None at
check
all.
it out.
I did check.
Alright, so I noticed when I took it off, a wire nut is missing. It looked like it's burnt up, so that's probably what's wrong with it. So we're gonna check and see if it's hot. Alright, so I just turned off the power. And you can see.
Will this help?
Oh no, yeah, I'm fine.
I just keep headlamps because I walk the dogs, so.
Alright, so we got it back on. And that's it.